Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add the audio to your video using the Canva website. So first of all, go to canva.com, go to home, search for YouTube video. Click on create blank. Now next thing is to upload your video and audio. So click on upload files. I'll go to the videos and look for my video and select it. Alright, it's uploaded. So next I will upload the audio file. I'll go to documents, Audacity. It's still making progress, so I'm waiting for its completion. Appreciate your patience though. Thank you. I'll click on it and I will also click on audio update. So you can see both of them are showing here in the frame. Click on duration. You can hear some background noise, so I will remove this noise by selecting on the video and click on this audio sound and click on mute. It will remove the background noise. Great, so audio has been added already. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.